In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color filters to images in Google Slides. While Google Slides offers some basic tools for this task, knowing how to effectively apply them can help enhance the visual appeal of your presentations without needing advanced graphic design skills. So, let's dive right in and make your images pop with color filters. First things first, let's get your image into the slide. To do this, click on Insert at the top of your screen. Then navigate to Image and choose the source from which you want to upload your image. This could be from your computer, a URL, drive, or even directly from your camera. Once you've inserted the image onto your slide, go ahead and click on it to select it. With your image selected, you'll want to open the Format options. You can do this easily by right-clicking on the image, which will bring up a context menu. From here, select Format options. Alternatively, you can access the same menu by going to the top of your screen, clicking on Format, and then selecting Format Options. Once the Format Options pane is open on the right-hand side of your screen, find the section labeled Recolor. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various preset filters. These presets include options like sepia, grayscale, and different tints that can give your image a unique look. It's important to note that these are preset filters, which means they offer a quick way to change the appearance of an image, but don't provide the full range of custom color editing that you might find in more advanced programs. After you've selected a filter that you like, your next step is to fine-tune the image using the adjustments available. Still within the Format Options pane, go ahead and expand the section sometimes labeled Adjustments or Image Adjustments. Here, you'll find sliders for brightness, contrast, and transparency. These sliders allow you to further refine how your image appears on the slide. Adjust the brightness slider to lighten or darken the image, depending on the effect you're going for. Contrast can be increased or decreased to make the image appear sharper or softer. Lastly, the transparency slider is great for layering effects, or if you want part of the background to show through. By playing around with these sliders, you can achieve a balance that complements the overall design of your presentation. Feel free to experiment until you find the perfect adjustment that makes your image stand out, yet harmonizes with the rest of your slide content. So, there you have it. A simple way to add some color and flair to your images in Google Slides using the built-in tools. Give these techniques a try and see how they can enhance your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.